Now today we will learn how to rotate this bed or we can say pallet. हम इस पैलेट को रोटेट कैसे करें. जो लोडिंग वाला पैलेट है उसको हमें इसके अंदर लेके आना है और इसे बाहर भेजना है. तो देखिए कैसे करते हैं. Now we comes to control panel of Smooth Mazatrol. Here we see we will keep the key close in this side. Then we have to press this MDI. After pressing MDI, this MDI screen will come here. Here we will click. This is as it is a touch screen. The keyboard comes, and then we will put the MDI code for changing the pallet. For changing the pallet, the MD code is M91, and if we have to bring one pallet inside this CNC, as this is pallet number 2, you can see now I have to bring pallet number 1 from outside to this inside. Now we have to put M91 1 so that pallet number 1 comes here. So see M91 and put 1 so that number 1 pallet will comes inside the CNC. So see, now we have to keep in mind that at the back side of the machine we have to press one button also. At the back side of machine we will go as we want this pallet number 1 at the back side of the machine. As you can see, the job is loading at this pallet number 1. So this pallet will rotate inside the CNC as it is in the back side. So at the back side this panel is here, and we have to click this switch, this cycle. This should be green. You can see as it is not green, we have to make it green so that this cycle will be ready at the back side. Click it, and now comes to the control panel, and then in the MDI you have to put it this M91 and 1, and you can see now the backside one pallet will come into this inside this CNC, and this 2 number will go back to the back side. Now see, press this cycle on and you will see what will happen. Cycle is on and you will see the bed is rotating, and this pallet number 1, as you can see, will comes inside. Now same, if this job will machine completely, then we have to if we have to bring the second number of pallet, means second bed inside this, and we have to send it back. So we will call M91 2 to come inside the 2 number